Top 5 NFT collectors you must know, starting from collector number 5.
Number 5. Unknown collector.
Number 4. Poseidon DAO.
Number 3. Kato OG.
Number 2. Benjamin Bitcoin.
Number 1. Jeff. He collects every day of 2022.
Well, that's all we have for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you like us and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Not just subscribe, press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from us. And thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care, stay tuned.